first two of the game. Ito na kayo pinag-uusapan natin, Renzo. Alam mong gustong bumawi. Dahil sinabi nga ng Renzo Navarro hindi na masyado nagpakita ng game 1.
Well, yun naman ang maganda for Junior De La Rama. As you see another basket coming from JDR.
Batang Abra Weavers now still searching for their first points. Lozano fires another triple. This time able to knock it down.
So that was a great play para dito sa Batang Abra Weavers.
Parang charger itong si David Cruz Makikisaksak ka na lang talaga. Gaitos bouncing into Malaga. Eye off the glass and still able to get it to fall.
Well, that was deep. Kasi magko-commit talaga sila ng turnovers kapag naging reckless sila.
De La Rama will run it ahead to Bayani. Give another basket here para sa Pasig to up the lead to 5. Pasig, Bayani, sinukat si Lozano, short on the jumper. Rebound Miranda. Goes to the corner. Mac Alfanta on the move once again. Gets the floater to fall.
And that's just too easy for coming off a timeout. Junior De La Rama to J. Mark Lloren.
Couple of players, especially itong si J. Mark Lloren. Also, hindi natin masyadong nakaramdaman in that game number 1. Herrera picks it out. Just 4 to shoot. Malaga. Gets stripped by Eligado. Takbo dito si Herrera.
Well, another turnover for Pasig Abasa Timothy. Their possession went nowhere there as you see this 3-pointer by Harry Herrera.
13 to 10. We approach the final 2 minutes. Here in chapter number 1. Malaga on the roll. Baseline jumper will hit.
Better execution for Pasig.
15 to 10. 5-point lead para sa Pasig Abasa Timothy. Slash shot time if they wish to. Para sa Batang Abra. And you know that they will go to Lawrence Mangubat. Drops it off. Eligado will hit.
Oh, great pass galing dito kay Lawrence.
They will have first possession dito sa ating second quarter. Looks in off the spin. Gets it to Herrera. Attacks the baseline and finishes at the rack.
The break.
Attacks Gaitos. Floats it up. Couldn't get the bounce. Rebound battle. Looks in ang makakakuha. Mangubat. Short. Looks in. Another chance. Make it an end one.
What about Jim Loxin? I think that's his third offensive rebound already. Well, that's the right idea for Coach Jay Cruz. You really have to maximize it on si Junior De La Rama after playing efficiently in that first quarter. Talagang kailangan ibabad mo na siya.
Gets na 3 to fall. Make that 7 para kay JDR. Miranda to Eligado. Block. That time by Soliano. Podador nakabuelo. Lilipad. Overcooks the layup but Lloren there for the follow.
Si Podador, he was the one who scored most of their points in their last game. So alam mo na may kumpiyansa pa, but that was the second 3-pointer of Harry Herrera.
Committed unsportsmanlike foul initially na binawi rin naman. Talking about J. Mark Lloren. Parang hindi nga naman talaga pwedeng ma-fall in love to one-on-one basketball itong Pasig Abasa Timothy. 3-pointer daw ang ibibigay dito ni Dwayne Miranda.
Nag-cause siya ng error kanina. I think hindi pwedeng puntahan yung action na yun.
Miranda to Alfanta. Jumper gets the bounce. Gives the third chance para sa Batang Abra Weavers. Miranda still unable to connect.
Oh, but they had 2 offensive rebounds and that play alone. And if you're passing a pass at Timothy, you can't let that happen. But this is Ortega.
In Mandaluyong, this is Mangubat. 3 from the corner. Sinukat lang yung depensa dito ni Malaga. Garupil. Through the middle. Gets it to.
What about Garupil? Di Malaga on the center. Tapos 4 na forward eh. Walang natural point guard. So medyo magkakalituhan talaga sa posisyon. But again, you have to talk inside the court.
Wayne Miranda makes it a 3-point play. Bante ng 5 ang Batang Abra Weavers. 33-28. Podador denied there by Panapanaan. Llorendo gets it to Trigalin. 9 na para kay J. Mark. Lead got down to 3. 33-30. Eligado gets it to Mangubat. Miranda. Extra pass. Garupil. Knocks down the triple from the corner.
And this is Well, Jay Garupel with another 3-pointer. And kanina pa nga natin sinasabi, no? Dito nagsushooting araw-araw yan si Garupel.
Llorendo, babawi para sa Pasig.
That's a big answer galing dito kay J. Mark Llorens. After 2 passes, tatao sila bigla. No, just to give a little confusion on the offense of Batang Abra Weavers, so they were successful.
Lloren all alone on the other end. Kid looks in. Behind the back. Floats it up and in.
Nakatagilid siya with that floater. Tough move para kay Gidlocksin.
Odador gets it to Malaga. Against 2 defenders, still able to finish.
Once again, 30 Malaga.
Para kay 30, trying to defend Lawrence Mangubat. Series of moves. Lawrence though, couldn't get it to drop. Tapigan, will fall to the hands of Locsin. Look at that fade to Mac Alfanta.
To recover that basketball and dished out that assist.
And that's 6 rebounds as well para dito kay Jid. As 30 Malaga. Nananalasa dito sa loob para sa Pasig.
Inaangat niya na agad and that's very efficient.
43 to 41. Dalawa, abante ng Batang Abra. Tough shot, Mac Alfanta. Trying to escape Garupel. Malaga puts it up. Gets another 30 Malaga.
They're in a very good position to close out the series already.
A balance, but Lawrence Mangubat still able to knock down the jumper.
As the finals MVP last season, ito na yung perfect time to redeem himself.
Miranda to Garupel for another triple. Gets his third of the ball game. Garupel feeling it.
And that's another thing he needs to understand, no? Pag may magko-collapse naman sa kanya, he needs to pass that ball.
Mangubat gets the triple. However, after that attempt,
Well, kailangan ngayon na mangyari, but hindi sila kailangan na magmadali on their offense because they're going to isolation plays right away.
Hinogin. Garupel outside Alfanta, open for the jumper. Gets it to fall. Mac Alfanta once again with the answer para sa Batang Abra Weavers. Goes to Alfanta. Attacking Lloren. Turn around. Couldn't get it to drop. Rebound battle. Will be going to Hinogin. And he is all alone. Gets the layup to fall. Baba muli sa isa. Hinahabol ng Pasig ang Pasig Timothy's. Good Bill Lloren. Bringing it inbound to Hinogin. Attacks immediately. The jumper ties us up at 60. Jevy Hinogin.
And there's that space that I'm talking about. As soon as Jevy Hinogin got that ball, Junior Del Ramo went on the other side. And he was able to attack on that left side, making that jumper. Big basket for Drew Hinogin.
Espasyo na hinihingi mo nga Renzo on that left side. That's enough for Jevy Hinogin to create space for himself. Gets the jumper, all 14 of his points here in the fourth quarter.
Yung player na sinasabi ko nga, Dwayne Miranda, obviously the guy that needs to operate para sa Batang Abra Weavers.
Garupel inbounding it to Miranda against De La Rama. Kick out. Herrera for the win. Ali Herrera for the lead. There's still some time left, but no more timeouts, I believe. Para sa Pasig Timothy's. Only 2.5 seconds remaining. 63 to 60. De La Rama gets it into Hinogin. He throws it up. Short. And the Batang Abra Weavers Laptex are our Season 2 National Champions. Harry Herrera with the game winner.
And just a simple play, Jaime. I told you, nothing extra. You don't need to scheme out anything. Just give the ball to Dwayne Miranda and space out the floor. Put a lot of shooters on the corner, on the three-point area, and just let Dwayne Miranda. And Dwayne Miranda delivering for Batang Abra Weavers. He just went to that shaded area and he was able to find itong si Harry Herrera for that left corner three-pointer.
Eyes in his veins, Renzo. Yeah, it's one thing to be open. He knew what was at stake. Just so steady, Harry Herrera. I believe his
three-pointer here in this game. All his previous three-pointers were during the first half.